Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be looking at some products that I received from this company. So it's like PR basically, but this video is not like sponsored or anything like that, because of course none of my videos are like sponsored. I'm too small to be sponsored, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, maybe when I like have 10,000 or 20,000 subscribers, maybe companies will sponsor me, but it's not like a sponsored video or anything like that. It's just me testing out some products that I received from this company, this brand. It's called Clef, and the meaning of this brand is clean and effective, like a clean and effective skincare brand. And it's like a really small brand, to be honest. So this is actually, I think they have this and one more, like a roller or something that you can skin tool. Yeah, that's all they have, but this is like pretty new. And the brand basically started from I think I read on the website that this associate, they went to get a job at a skincare company, but the skincare company didn't give that person the job because the person had a skin condition, or because of the person's skin. They didn't give them the job because of the skin condition. But I think I found that a little bit strange, because why would you not give somebody that has a problem that you could potentially like help, and then use that same person as an example for your campaign or your skincare campaign or whatever? Why wouldn't you want a person with like real life experience and then give them the product to assist them and then use that? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's kind of strange. But anyway, I guess people want whoever is going to work for them, like their skincare company, they should have perfect skin so they can assist them with business per se, like promotion and all of that. I don't know, but that was the reason why this skincare was started. Yeah, so they came up with this clean and effective beauty. All right, and this is a copper peptide mask. All right, so you might ask, what is copper peptide? Copper peptide is basically a natural occurring like ingredient. It is found in the human plasma, and it is supposed to promote or boost the production of collagen and elastin. So when you have more collagen, more elastin, it means that your skin is going to be less wrinkled, it's going to be brighter. If you have hyperpigmentation problem, it's going to assist with that. Fine lines and everything that is associated with aging, it's going to assist. All right, and yeah, this is copper peptide is an expensive ingredient, mainly because it is assisting with aging. So it's like an anti-aging ingredient, so it's very, very expensive. Even on the ordinary website, they have this copper peptide, and yeah, this copper peptide serum, and it's like the most expensive thing on the website. Like, yeah, like maybe 29-30 US dollars compared to their more affordable serums. So I was looking, I'm like, whoa, that means this is supposed to be something really, really good. You know what I'm saying? So when they said that they wanted me to, try this out, I'm like, oh yeah, definitely. And when I read like the information on their website and so forth, I'm like, this is pretty nice. All right, so let me just read to you some of the claims or some of the information as it relates to this particular brand. So basically, the information, let me just get to that. So the copper peptide mask is a no fragrance, no hormone, no alcohol, no essential oils. So when I read that, I'm like, yes, that's very, very good. All right, and it is a 9-in-1 function. So basically, it helps with moisturization, brightening, repairing, increased firmness. It reduces wrinkles, it fades scars, very good. It reduces pigmentations, very good. It minimizes pores and it increases elasticity. And I think this is just overall what copper peptides actually do. They do all of this. So yeah, this is what they said. They promote their product as a 9-in-1 function. And then the other information are it's 100% vegan, it's gluten-free, it's paraben-free, it's cruelty-free, and it's phthalates-free. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but maybe phthalates-free. It's pH, but I'm guessing the pH is silent, so it's phthalates-free. Yeah, so it's 100% vegan, it's cruelty free. That's the most important thing for me. Paraben free, very good. So if it's cruelty free, it means it's not tested on animals. All right, so that is definitely good. And it is also good for sensitive skin, oily skin, and dry skin, normal dry skin. And for sensitive skin, you can use it 2 to 3 times per week. For oily combination skin, you can use it 3 to 4 times per week. For normal and dry skin, you can use it 4 to 5 times per week. All right, so this is basically what it is in a nutshell. I'm going to be trying it out on camera. I'm going to be using it for like 10 days and then give you my results. Yeah, so I'm going to try it out first on camera. I'm going to show you my skin before and then after using it, and I'm going to use it in collaboration with my other skincare products, because it's supposed to work with other skincare products, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so we're going to see how this mask works. So let's get it cracking. I haven't opened it as yet. I'm going to open it on camera so you can see it.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Okay, so guys, I am back and the 20 minutes is finished. So what they said I should do is to remove it. It's still very serumy, so it has a lot of serum. So what they said that I should do is to remove the mask after 20 minutes. So I'm removing it right now. Okay, so I'm going to let it sit for like 10 minutes now, and then I'm going to use some water to just rinse it off. Okay, so this is my face now. They said to wash it off as soon as you're finished. So I just washed it off with some water. That's all they said. And this is it. One thing I will say, my skin feels a little bit smoother. Yeah, it feels smoother. Okay guys, so this is what our face is looking like. It feels very soft, it feels very nice, but I think that like a product like this, you have to use it over a period of time before you can actually see any result. But I can feel my skin, it feels soft, feels nice. I don't know, it feels like I just did like a mask, you know, one of those kind of the bentonite clay mask. It feels like I just did that. That's how it feels, really soft and nice, and my skin feels plump. Yeah, but I don't know if that's my mind or I can feel changes already, but it just feels nice and enriched, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but this is it guys. I'm going to be using it for 10 days, and then I'll come back to you with my results. I'll show you how my skin looks and feels, and if there's any changes or difference, you know? Yeah. Guys, my skin feels tight, to be honest. Like to really be honest, my skin feels really tight. I don't know.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up.
So I guess over a period of time, you will definitely see the improvements. But it feels really nice. But this is also good for like self-care. Yeah, alright.